In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Facebook Messenger via desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to stay signed in safely so you can start chatting without any hassle. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Any modern browser works well, whether it's Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if you're using a private or incognito window, remember that some settings like staying signed in won't persist after you close the window. Next, go to messenger.com by typing the address directly into the URL bar and pressing enter. This is the official Messenger website and gives you the full desktop experience without needing to open Facebook first. Double check that the address is spelled correctly to avoid landing on an imposter site. On the sign in page, you'll see a field where you can enter your email address or your mobile phone number associated with your Facebook account. Type carefully and watch out for typos. If you're using a phone number, include the correct country code and formatting expected by the site. Below that, type in your password, make sure caps lock isn't on, and that your keyboard layout is set correctly. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill for accuracy. Before you continue, you'll see an option to keep yourself signed in. Toggle on, keep me signed in if you're on a personal, trusted computer and want quicker access next time. If you're on a shared or public device, leave this off for security. Keep in mind that clearing cookies or using a private window can sign you out even if this option is enabled. Now click login. If your details are correct, you'll be taken straight into your Messenger inbox on desktop. Depending on your account's security settings, you might be prompted for an extra verification step. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be in. If you don't get in right away, review your email or phone number for accuracy and re-enter your password carefully. Use the on-page recovery options if you've genuinely forgotten your credentials, and ensure your browser is up to date. Once you're in, consider bookmarking messenger.com for quick access in the future, and remember to sign out when using a computer that isn't yours. That's all you need to log in to Facebook Messenger via desktop quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your conversations.